sir, attention of the House is drawn with regards to repeated to flooding of Khazan across Goa by Swiss gate operators and due to inaction of 10 stations, especially in villages of Neura, Adosim, Dongri and Santa Cruz. This is a recurring issue has even after repeated complaints, no stringent action is being taken on such ill practices. This has led to fear and anxiety among farmers who regularly cultivate and those who want to cultivate vegetables and paddy cultivation in their fields and have to incur losses. Request the department to ensure the necessary amendments be done to protect the livelihood of such farmers. Speaker sir, already हांव हेच्या पयलीं खूब फावट उलयलां आयज शेतकारांक खूब त्रास जाता हांवें मिनिस्टराकूय मेळोन सांगलेलें आसा आनी फार्मर्स परत परत आमच्या फुड्यान येता ते डिमांड करता की शेतां बुडपाक जायना आमकां शेतां रोवपाक जाय म्हणून सो हेजेर म्हाका दिसता एमेंडमेंट हाडपाची गरज आसा हें हांवें मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयलां आनी एक्शन जे कोण अशें करता तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक गरज आसा.
माननीय आमदार चंद्रकांत म्हणते उलयता तुम्ही
and take necessary action.
माननीय